Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set up the daybed if you order daybed cushions for the 2021 GLSS made for the Revel. You're going to have 2 cushions, just like this, okay? There'll be 2 of these, and then you're going to get 8 clips to be able to set up your daybed. So let's hop in there. We'll get that set up. We'll start with 1. And basically you take this clip, slides right in there, and locks down into place. So we'll do the first cushion first. This is my favorite one. So that's locked into place. Let's grab this cushion. When you're setting up the daybed, you're going to see a seam. So the cushion looks like this, whatever color you choose, and then there'll be a seam. This seam needs to go in the center, okay? And that tells you that you're doing it right. So you're going to lock that in, just like that. And that's the first daybed cushion. Locks right into place. What I really like about this setup is this is a great place to work. It's a great place to hang out, look at the view, and enjoy our system. Okay, secondly, you can actually get a few people in here this way as well. The other part of it is I like the lounge part of this whole thing. When you do it like this, you literally can hang out, and it gives you this daybed lounge. The daybed lounge to me is the game changer. Throwing some pillows back here, being able to work, have a drink, have some snacks, be able to put my feet up is super comfortable. You can still store stuff underneath, which is nice. So you can still have some crates in here if you're hauling a bunch of stuff. It just makes it a nice place. Now for 2 people, it's even great as well, because one person could be one way, the other could be the other way, or we can put the second cushion in, and I'll show you how that looks. So with the second cushion, you're going to take this clip, clip it into place. And then when I'm done with this, I'll show you where to store these. Show you the options. So same thing, here's the seam. The seam is going to go against that seam. So this comes in here, locks right down into place, and now you have a full daybed lounge. Make sure the clips are underneath, by the way. There you go. And then now there's enough for 2 people. You got all this room. You can put your table out here. You can move the table so it's even out here. So both people could be sitting here, reading, hanging out. It just gives you a lot of space. The reason that we designed this is most customers we saw would be hanging out during the day, and they would lower their bed and then jump in their bed to hang out midday, read a book. Well, to me, you got sweat, dirt, sand all over you. Leave the bed for sleeping, and then this is the daybed lounge where you can actually lay around, throw a blanket, throw a towel down here, and hang out. Plenty of room. I'm 5'10", 180 pounds, 185 maybe with COVID, and I got plenty of room back here. My lady can be back here. We can hang out, we can read, we can play games. It just makes for a really, really nice, comfortable place. Another living area in our vans, and there's still room for storage underneath the daybeds. So great feature. Obviously, you can take one cushion out as well, and I'm going to show you here. We can just take this one out. So let's say it's raining, and I just want to have one cushion set up. Pop these out so they don't hit your leg. I put these back in our bag that we supply you so you don't lose them. Now, if you're stuck in your van, this is a nice little setup as well. Instead of having the cushion here and you have to step over it to get in and out, we'll put the daybed cushion here, bring the table in, and now we both have a place to hang out and sit, put our feet up, relax. One person could be here reading a book on their computer. I don't think it gets any better than this in a van. And you can raise this up or down, but this is a game changer for us. Same thing. You got a place to sit here. You can even still put your feet up here without having a daybed as well. This side is absolutely comfortable too, so you can hang out on this side, plenty of space. You can face each other for conversations or what have you. So that's the day bed option. It's a great feature. We love it. We use it all the time, actually. Okay, so where do I store these things? Well, there's a few places. One, you can put them both in the bathroom if you want to. You can also place them both in between the passenger bench seat up front and the driver's seat on the floor. They both on edge will sit. Let's get these out of the way. So, and when you always store them together, you go backside to backside, you never put cushion to the bottom. So that's it. So you just take this and you can put it behind the bench seat and the driver's seat. So that's one option. You can put them in the bathroom, you can put them on the floor in the bathroom, or you can put them on the shelves on the bathroom. You can put them right here if you want, on top of the seat. Or what most people do is when you're getting ready to take off, you put them right here. So you put one there, and you put the other here, like so. And then the doors close and you're good to go. So that's one. And then when you get to your spot, you can take them out and drop them in. So that's the day bed option.